So today I'm going to show you how you can deposit into your Bybit, using Bybit P2P trading, and how you can do it as well from your bank account in whatever country that you are from, because Binance restricts most countries from using their P2P. You won't be able to find most of your payment method on Binance, but on Bybit there are a lot of payment currencies available, which I'm going to show you in this video in a bit. So first off, you see where it says deposit right here, so you click on it. Now you can see we have three options: deposit crypto, deposit with NGN, which is my currency, and P2P trading. So we're using P2P trading, so let's click on that. Again, here we see there's an important notification. You have to go through this as well. It says during the transaction, please use your own account to receive or send payments. If the counterparty doesn't use own account, actually you have the right to refuse also. So please do not use third-party account to receive or send payments. The platform will not be held responsible for possible asset loss. After going through this, click on acknowledge. Now this is the P2P interface. You see we have buy and sell. Buy is for deposit, you want to deposit, and sell is when you want to withdraw. So we are using buy, so we'll leave it on buy right now. The same goes with all these here: USDT, USDC. You can change if it's Ethereum or BTC or USDC you want to buy. You can click on it as well, but we are using USDT for this video tutorial. Next, we are going to click on this amount to input the amount that we are buying. Let's see, we are buying at 100,000 naira. Yes, so let me input that. Next, I'm going to change my payment method right here. So we are going to use bank transfer for this because I don't have all the payment methods. So I'm going to use the bank transfer. For whatever country you are from, it's going to be showing the same thing as well. You can change the currency at the top right corner. There you can change your currency. Mine is set on NGN, but you can actually change yours to your preferred country's currency. Next, you click on filter here. Now as you can see here, it says show only verified advertisers, and this right here it says show only eligible ads. I'm going to explain that right now in a bit. Now what I mean by verified advertisers are people that have verified their accounts for trading on P2P trading, that have verified themselves. Eligible ads also mean that there are some requirements you need to meet before you can trade with somebody. As you can see right here, I didn't meet one or two requirements, so I can't trade with this person. But this second person right here, as you can see, I can trade with this person. Is showing buy because of some requirements. So I'm going to just click on the two options and I'm going to confirm it, because I want to be seeing only eligible ads and ads that are from verified users. Now that I've filtered out these settings right here, as you can see, they are no longer ineligible ads, which means I can choose to trade with anybody. And this payment method, bank transfer, all of them are available to trade with me if I choose to buy with bank transfer. But first, as you can see right here, before we start buying, as you can see right here, this person has over 2,000 subscribers and he has at least 99% completed orders, which is good, which means out of the 2,000 plus, he has completed about 99%. And this other person right here has over 1,600, which is huge, considering the fact that he has completed every trade, 100% of the trade. So that's very impressive, guys. That's very impressive. So I'm just gonna choose the one that I'm buying with right now. Alright, I'm gonna buy with this guy because the rate is lower, so I'm gonna click on buy. Now as you can see, they say you can buy with fiat or buy with crypto. Buy with fiat or buy with crypto. Let's say you want to buy with fiat with about 100,000, you input it, which means I'm going to send 100,000 naira. But if you want to be checking the equivalent in USDT instead, you're gonna scroll and click on the crypto tab. Let's say you want to buy $100. So for $100 you can see the amount 159,489 naira, as you can see right there. But I'm not buying $100, I want to buy 100,000 naira, not in dollars. So let me just go back to fiat, and as you can see, for 100,000 naira I'll be getting 62.7 USDT. But if you want to buy in terms of crypto, you just use crypto instead. Right now, so now we've clicked on buy, and now we can see the seller information right here, and it says you have about 14 minutes to complete the payment. So if you want to cancel the order, you're not okay with it, you click on cancel order. But if you want to proceed with the order, you click on proceed. Now that I'm right here, I can choose to copy the account details of this person and head over to my bank to make the transfer. And remember that we are making the payment under for 15 minutes, okay, under 15 minutes, so you have to be fast about it as well. So I've completed the transfer right here. So now that the transfer is completed, go ahead and click on payment completed, and again you can see this confirmation here. You click on it and you confirm the payment. So next you wait for the seller to release the coin for you, so they will confirm the payment under 10 minutes. The counter is there. As you can see, he has already completed it in less than a minute. So he has completed the payment. So if you want to check your assets, you go back to your home page and you come back here. As you can see, my USDT. So that's basically how you can deposit to your Bybit. But if you are finding this process difficult, you can drop a message in the comment section. You can ask your questions. Whatever questions you have, I'll be available and try as much as possible to answer your questions. And as well, let me know what kind of video you want me to make next. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and then turn your notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.